I've got my trial copy of Home Designer Pro 2023 open and the library browser open to architectural cabinet doors, drawers, and panels. And it sounded to me like in your post like you were looking for this one. Just click on doors. There it is, beaded recess. Let's see what else is available. Let's see. That's an arch. All these that say arch. Okay, that's kind of specialized. Those are glass doors. Maybe you're looking for something very specific, but since you didn't post an image of what you need and want, I'm guessing that's the reason I went here. There's all these different kinds of doors in the core catalog, and then you go to drawer fronts, and I'm pretty sure that the drawer front you were alluding to is one of these. Of course, I don't know because you didn't specify. You use language, but a picture is more precise than language when you pose a question like that. I'm interested and others here are interested in helping you, but you need to be a little bit more detailed and with evidence to back up what it is you think is missing. And I mean, core content is controlled by Chief Architect Incorporated. And so there's no way to go around that if you upgrade. You could install an older version and keep it and then transfer those particular symbols to the newer version. I know it's kind of goofy, but it would also be workable. But this is as far as I can go to help you, and I hope it did, and whether it did or not, I hope you have a great day. Thank you.